Hey everyone, Logan here in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. And today I want to show you probably the easiest way to use your Garmin GPS to navigate to a certain location. So let's go ahead and dive on in. So here we are on the Garmin GPS, about 6 miles up the Ashley River. And let's just go ahead and go to Shem Creek. If y'all have ever seen the Outer Banks, this is the creek they do a lot of filming in. A great place to get food by the water and do some fun people watching. And all we're going to do is go ahead and just click on that certain location. Up here on the top, you're going to see you can actually enter a waypoint if that's a place you want to save. Auto guidance, go to Route 2. And frankly, the easiest way is just to do auto guidance. It's going to calculate up the route. And looking pretty nice and easy. We're going to see here up on the top right, hazard review. Always good to go through that. Depending on how your GPS is set up, it's going to warn you about anything and everything that you might want to be aware of. But my big concern scrolling in is right here, this area. In Charleston, this is a big no-no. Great way to get stuck. And if I just want to adjust that path real easy, I'm going to go here right below the hazard review, press adjust path. Now I want to touch my actual route. And that little cursor pops up. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring it on down here. Of course, it's got to calculate. Now, it still didn't take that route out, so I'm just going to keep going down the way I know that you're supposed to go. And there you go. Now it routed the correct way. Now, because my settings are set for deeper water, it's saying, be very, very cautious, red, red, red. But I've done that path plenty of times, and I know I'm good to go here on this boat. Always remember, a GPS is a very helpful tool, but your best reliance should be on your eyes and your boating experience. If y'all have any questions, leave a comment below, subscribe, and have fun out there in the water.